Today, we're excited to bring you an in-depth review of the latest Honda Civic model, a car that's been making waves in the industry with its stunning design, impressive performance, and advanced features. The Honda Civic has always been known for its sleek and sporty design, and the latest model is no exception. The exterior is a masterclass in modern design, with a bold and aggressive front grille, slim LED headlights, and a sloping roofline that gives the car a coupe-like silhouette. The 18-inch alloy wheels and chrome exhaust tips add a touch of sophistication and elegance to the overall design. But the Honda Civic is more than just a pretty face. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful and efficient engine that delivers exceptional acceleration and responsiveness. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling twisty roads, this car is always up for the task. The smooth shifting transmission and precise handling make it a joy to drive, while the advanced safety features provide peace of mind. One of the standout features of this car is its handling. The Honda Civic has always been known for its agility and responsiveness, and the latest model is no exception. The precise steering and responsive suspension make it a blast to drive on twisty roads, and the advanced safety features provide added confidence behind the wheel. In addition to its impressive performance and handling, the Honda Civic also features a spacious and comfortable interior. Premium materials, comfortable seating, and intuitive controls create a driving environment that's both relaxing and engaging. With advanced infotainment and connectivity features, you'll stay entertained and connected on the go. The interior space is also impressive, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The 60/40 split folding rear seats provide versatility and flexibility, making it easy to accommodate different types of cargo. Whether you're road tripping with friends or hauling gear for a family adventure, the Honda Civic has got you covered. We're also impressed by the Honda Civic's advanced safety features. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, you'll have peace of mind on the road. The Honda Civic has also received top safety ratings from reputable organizations, giving you added confidence behind the wheel. Overall, we're thoroughly impressed by the Honda Civic. Its stunning design, impressive performance, and advanced features make it a standout in its class. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a fun and sporty ride, the Honda Civic is definitely worth considering. So, what do you think about the Honda Civic? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about this incredible vehicle, be sure to check out our other videos and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road. The Honda Civic is a car that's sure to put a smile on your face, and we're excited to see what the future holds for this iconic vehicle.